75th pre-competitive skill test. It may not be necessary to continue these levies for a long time, rather I am inclined to think that before long it may be possible to give up some of them, at least full stop. I have very valid reasons to think so, full stop. Our public undertakings are coming to their own, and some of our important irrigation and power projects have just been completed, full stop. Some others are nearing completion, and in due course, I think in the very near future, they must yield returns, full stop. This will go a long way to lighten the burden of the common man, full stop. We might, also resort to some other ways, full stop. I suggest that we might take to public trading in some specific items of export and import, full stop. That would also certainly go a long way and help us, full stop. The private corporate sector has been steadily growing and has been developing capacity, full stop. New paragraph. It is sure to benefit from all these present concessions and develop greater capacity, full stop. This sector must come forward to meet new demands for taxation in the future, full stop. I agree that so far as indirect taxation is concerned, it is reached the saturation point, but the corporate sector growing as it is in strength, in vitality and in capacity, will not, I am sure, shirk its responsibility to contribute to the common fund, full stop. I wish, the committee which had been pointed to go into where the additional national income had gone, had entered upon its labors a bit earlier and had made its findings available to us, full stop. I do not want to state its findings, but I have a feeling that the committee, when it concludes its labors, will come to the conclusion that a major portion of this additional national income has gone into the pockets of the comparatively small number of men, small number of individuals, full stop. New paragraph. And it is they who must in future contribute their share to the country's taxation needs, because the profits they have earned are not all due to their own efforts and enterprise only, full stop. To a very large measure, they are the result of the economic policies of the government and due to certain other circumstances to which they did not contribute anything, full stop. Therefore, there is ample justification for the two taxes, the capital gains tax and the excess profits tax, full stop. I need not go in detail into all the reasons that my honorable friend has explained earlier so lucidly, but must say that I entirely agree with them all. Full stop. Having said this, comma, I would like to say a few words about industries which have been made to the various ministries in the budget. Full stop.